ikaw. Oo, ikaw. Single mom, na tahimik lang, pero araw-araw lumalaban. Can I just say na, grabe ka. You're doing so well. And alam mo, ang daming tao na akala nila madali lang mag-isa. Pero ikaw, girl, you carry the world for your child without letting them see how heavy it is or how heavy it feels sometimes. That's strength, ate. That's love in its purest form. And nung nakita ko si Bea Boris proudly announcing her pregnancy, kahit alam niyang may mga bashers na ready manghusga, girl, I was so proud. Kasi that's a woman standing firm for her baby, choosing love over fear, over chismis. And that's power. That's hard. So, to all the single moms out there listening right now, you are not less than, but you are more than enough. You are doing the work for two people while still finding ways to give your child the love of 10. Hindi mo man marinig araw-araw, but I just wanted to remind you that your sacrifices, it really matters. So you deserve all the love, all the blessings, and all the happiness in this world. So ikaw, you, the wonderful soul who keeps showing up kahit pagod na. Grabe ka. You're doing so well, and I hope you never forget that. Again, God bless, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.